Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add products from DHGate to your Shopify store. Now, first of all, when you go ahead here on apps and you write down DHGate, nothing is found here and you cannot actually connect it straight to the DHGate. So you will need to use some other application, which is here on Shopify App Store, where you can actually then connect your DHGate. So I went ahead to the Shopify community and here is the answer. So the best integrate directly with DHGate. The most popular options are Importify, AliExpress dropshipping and more, and Shopmaster dropshipping. So I'm just gonna try and find Importify. So let's search here, Importify on the apps, of course. As you can see, this is it. So let's install it now, and then we will connect it to our DHGate account. Of course, sign up here. Now, as you can see, it is not for free. So definitely you will need to pay for it to basically import it. Now you need to subscribe to do this. So for example, if you select the basic plan, you will need to pay for it $15, and that's that. So basically, to connect your store with Importify, and then in Importify you will need to connect your DHGate, and that's how it works. This is the only way. Now you can also use AliExpress dropshipping and more, and Shopmaster dropshipping. You will go here again, Shopmaster, and you can search for it here. As you can see, Shopmaster dropshipping, and you can try and find it here. But basically, the most popular one would be Importify. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.